Okay, so welcome back once again, guys. Now, in my previous lecture, I was talking about TF-IDF in theory. So now let's try to talk about this TF-IDF in a practical manner. So here, what we can do, so we can try to share our screen and we can try to create a file tf-idf.ipynb. And let's start talking about this TF-IDF, term frequency inverse document frequency. So I have to prepare a data first of all. So maybe my docs, I can try to prepare my data. So here I love NLP. So I love NLP and machine learning. Fine. So this is my document number 1. Then my document number 2 is going to be, so NLP is fun and exciting. Fine. So this is my second number and document, and then third number document, I love deep learning and AI. Okay, so this is my document which I am going to take. Now the second part is that you have to import the library, TF-IDF library, obviously, right? So from Scikit-learn, dot feature extraction dot text, by the way. So import what? So import TF-IDF vectorizer. Yeah, so this is something that you have to import. Very simple. Yeah. Now, so let's try to create an object of this vectorizer. So vectorizer object for like a TF-IDF, so that I can try to pass the data. And then this vec dot fit transform, not just fit, so fit basically transform. Now here, so if I'm going to pass my data, so which is available into the docs, it will be able to give me something, right? So 3 by 11 is sparse matrix, it is able to give it to me. Sparse means like a matrix with majority of the value is equal to 0. Now here, so let me store this particular data into like X data. Yeah, as a X data, I'm going to store it. And then if I would like to convert this entire data into a data frame so that I can show you the final result, I can do that. So maybe I can import pandas as PD over here. So pandas dot to data frame. So same thing I have done. So pandas dot data frame, and then here, so what I can do, I can try to pass my X data. So X dot to array, I can try to pass comma. I can try to pass columns. Columns is nothing but, so the vector that we have created, vector dot get feature name out. So it is going to give me all the feature name out. So this is something that it has created, guys, for my document number 1, document number 2, and document number 3. So this is the term frequency inverse document frequency. You all will be able to find out. Yeah, you all will be able to find out. So for like this is the unique word that it has considered, right? This is the unique word that it has considered, and after considering the unique word, right, so it is trying to find out the term frequency inverse document frequency. TF-IDF combinedly, it is able to find out, it is able to do the calculation. And I believe we have already seen that how calculation has been done. We all are aware about the formula, right? We all are aware about the formula. So finally, I am able to convert my data into a vector space, and this data I can try to use for the further processing, right? For the further processing, I can try to use this particular data. Any kind of use cases if I'm trying to solve, maybe if I'm trying to do maybe a spam detection, or maybe if I'm trying to do a sentiment classification, everywhere I will be able to use this particular data, because this is the data which is needed. This is the data which is required for any further operation. So hope all of you are able to understand this TF-IDF. With that, thank you so much everyone. Take care, and see you again in my next lecture.